Welcome to English Schooling Academy. Today I am going to describe about Hatia Upazila, which is the largest island upazila of Bangladesh. Hatia is a separated island which is belong to Noakhali Jela, and it's about 70 kilometers far away from the mainland of Bangladesh. The history of Hatia is very ancient. Approximately 3000 years ago, people started living in this island. Hatia is famous for two causes. One is for its natural beauty and another is for its sea fish. There are many tourist spots of Hatia such as Komolar Digi, Surjomukhi, Rahmat Bazar, Nimtoli, Nijundif, etc. At this moment, I am just standing in Komolar Digi, which is very beautiful place of Hatia. You are looking a forest and a short sea beaches. Actually, it's not a sea beaches, it's a bank of river. Definitely, it's a nice place. Now, I am standing in Surjomukhi, which is another beautiful place of Hatia. Many boats are coming and going through this canal. There has also a beautiful forest and a bank of river. Overall, it's a very charming place. Now, I came to Rahmat Bazar. Rahmat Bazar is another wonderful place of Hatia. It's very famous for making boats. Many big boats are made in this place. The beauty of forest of the area is very enchanting. This forest is very important to maintain our ecological balance. There are a lot of fish are catching from Hatia area. About 70% fish of Bangladesh is collected from Hatia island. Every year many tourists come here to visit in this place. I also invite you for traveling Hatia island. If you come here, you can feel the amazing beauty of nature. Thank you very much for watching the video.